Hello, in front of me I've got Fairphone free. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. Firstly, open Google Pay and tap on this blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on Loyalty, Gift Card and Public Transport. Tap Loyalty and select Shop, for example IKEA Poland. Now scan your card or enter details manually, then tap Save. Next we've got Gift Card. Similar to Loyalty, select Shop, but now enter card number, PIN, balance and your notes, then tap Save. And the last is Public Transport. Select your public transport, for example this one. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.